What's up, everybody? Dave from Quarter Flips here. Okay, I'm doing something different today. I'm on Camano Island. I am at a place called the Camano Island Second Chance Thrift Shop. I've been wanting to come out here for a long time, but Camano Island is pretty far away from me. It's one of the small islands that dots the whole coastline, basically west of Seattle, up and down, north and south. There's a ton of islands out there. This one is accessible by a bridge, like some of them. A lot of the other ones are accessible by ferry. That's a little expensive, so I don't go that route very often. But this is just one of the many places that I've known about but haven't been able to get to because it's just too far out. Now, I've been needing to make more money. Sales have been not great, and just the way life is right now where I'm at, I need to make more money. So I've been looking for a way to add a certain amount of money to my daily take without upsetting the whole apple cart and having to go get like a 9-to-5 job and then not being able to do reselling and then not being able to do all the sourcing and not being able to do listing and the YouTube channel. So the idea is, what can I do? What can I add that would allow me to make a little more money? A friend of mine suggested DoorDash. I looked into that. I don't think it works as well. I mean, I may do it, I may try it, but it's not really exactly what I'm looking for. But through looking at DoorDash and stuff like that, I found an app called Roadie. Roadie got bought by UPS recently, and it's one of those last mile solution things where, I think it's last mile. I don't think they call it that. That used to be last mile solution, used to have to do with like data transfer, internet, fiber cable and stuff. But now it's mainly getting the stuff, you know, to your house from wherever you're ordering it. And basically you sign up for it, you get approved, and then I've been doing it for 6 days, but I've been doing jobs like taking tires from one discount tire to another, kind of both in the area near where I live, or jobs from Home Depot, I delivered a bird bath, delivering things like that. It's pretty simple. The jobs don't pay a lot, but they're easy. They're really pretty hassle-free. I don't have a boss. I could do 2 or 3 of those, make a little extra, add it to my daily sales, and suddenly I'm doing a lot better. Even in the last just few days, it's already getting better. And here's the key. Sometimes when I look at the jobs to see if I want to take them, sometimes I see that those jobs are going to leave me near a place I don't normally get to in the course of my day. So today there was a pretty decent priced job that took me to Camano Island. And I knew that based on the time, I would then be able to get done with that job and head over to the Camano Island thrift shop and check it out. This is gonna work. Weekends, I'm gonna turn Roadie on, do a few deliveries, and hit every garage sale I see. Sourcing and making money at the same time. This feels like cheating. We'll see how it works out, but right now, this feels like cheating. Let's go into this thrift store and see what it's all about. Tanya knows about these. I don't know about these. All right, that was worth it. I didn't make out like a bandit, but I did find some cool stuff. Let me show you. I got this big IKEA plush. I think it's a 32-inch plush. It's a Morhar. I don't know. It's a pretty awesome leopard. I did not see any sales of this online, and I did see people selling it, but everyone was selling it for a lot of money. This was $3. I can put it up for $15 and I'll probably sell it. As I was walking out the door, I found this box of Splat Midnight Ruby hair color, one application for 50 cents. These sell for about 12 bucks plus shipping in this. Well, it's unopened, so it's new. And I got 4 DVDs for $1 a piece. H.G. Wells, Things to Come, East of Eden, Doing Time on Maple Drive. I don't think this sells for a lot, but it's interesting. It sells for a little anyway. Enough for me to list. For $1, it probably sell for $6 or $7. And the Dick Cavett Show Rock Icons box set, which actually, this one may go for some decent money. I might get like 20 bucks for this one. So not a bad stop. And here's the thing. A mile east is another town called Stanwood, and they have a thrift store also. I also have not been able to go to that one before. So it's not just one shop, it's 2. Let's check that one out. Driving out here, I also spotted a sign for an upcoming community garage sale. Now, I have no idea how good a community garage sale in a place like this could be, but I think it's probably worth a trip trying to book a job to come out here on one of those days to see what it looks like. Okay, nothing too exciting in terms of things to buy in that thrift store. I did get this one MGM DVD, a private function with Michael Palin. This will go for a little bit. It was $2, and I don't know, I'll triple or quadruple my money on it. So at least I'm not leaving empty-handed. Plus, I got this free, Pooh Girl plush. It was just by the door that said free. I don't know if this is anything, but it's something. And I also went into, behind me there's a store. I didn't know it was here. It's like a comic book and bookstore. And once I got inside, I saw that they actually had a lot of really cool collectible stuff. Everything was priced right in there as far as I could tell. I didn't see any really great deals, nothing I wanted to jump at. I'm not interested in spending $5 to make $2 or spending $30 to make $5. That's not really how I do it. But if I had a lot of time to spend, I might be able to dig through there and find a couple of mispriced gems. If I had a lot of money, I'd be buying stuff for my own collection. Luckily, I don't have a lot of money and I don't have a collection of that junk. But yeah, all that old vintage stuff. I almost bought that Raw Partha miniature, but it was just priced right. It was priced right for the store. If it had $5 on it, it'd be with me right now. So now I need to go home. The way I need to do that is get on the Roadie app and find a job from here or somewhere just a little east of here, someplace way north of my house where I can get a job that will leave me closer to home. And then I've paid for the way up and I've paid for the way back. It feels like cheating. Hey, okay. So since the last time my face was on here, I have come home. I got one job on the way home, but it didn't take me all the way from Camano Island back to Shoreline. I got one job that was supposed to be to Marysville, and I got another job that was supposed to be in Everett, and both of those I submitted for the jobs and I got turned down for them, which is the second and third time that's happened in the last week, which was kind of surprising. But then when I was in Everett, I got another one close by in Snohomish that paid for some of the way back down towards the city, and I was able to, I didn't get a lot done. I think the jobs paid all total to get me to Camino Island and then to get me back $46. So $46, the thrift store shopping that I did, the kind of discovering what was going on at Camino Island, and then I was able to get home, eat, package up these 7 orders. Now I'm taking these to the post office, and I'm gonna turn the app back on and see if I can get some jobs this afternoon or early evening. So I feel like it's working out pretty well. Anyway, that's it. That's just what I wanted to tell you all about today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with some kind of more normal video soon, maybe. Maybe.